Good evening, everybody. Ilson Audits here, just out at Chesterfield. Look at the size of that. This is, or must be, the biggest Union Jack I've ever seen in my whole life. And it's on an old council building in Chesterfield. Got some drone footage, so that will be uploaded as well. But the size of it is unbelievable. Have a good evening, everybody. Stay safe.
Wave your flag and show your pride. From all four corners, hear the call. This land is ours, we must stand tall. Come on, stand side by side. It's time to stand, we must not hide. Raise your banners, raise your call. Free speech lives for one and all. Come on, be freedom's drum. Unite the kingdom, the time has come. From New York streets to Canadian plains, the struggle shared, the fire remains. One voice, one truth across the land. A world of patriots making a stand. Come on, stand side by side. It's time to stand, we must not hide. Raise your banners, raise your call. Free speech lives for